First tonight, an update on the investigation into yesterday's fatal fire in Taunton. I'm Kim Kalunian.
And I'm Kayla Fish. Firefighters say they found an older woman and 2 dogs dead inside the North Walker Street home. And investigators say the house had no working smoke detectors. Our Jake Holter joins us from Taunton with what else he's learned in the investigation. Jake.
Fire officials do believe the fire to be accidental. I spoke with a neighbor who says she's known the victim for decades.
It's just such a shame to lose her. She was a very nice lady. I babysat for her for 13 years with her son.
Bethany Smith lives 2 doors down from the house that caught fire Thursday afternoon.
There was a lot of smoke. Then I saw the fire truck pull up out front, and I was like, oh, it is true. And then I was worried about her getting out of the house.
The Taunton Fire Department saying a body was discovered inside the burning home. You can see the windows now boarded up. Aerial footage shows the vents they made as well as some smoke residue on the roof. Officials not yet releasing the identity of the victim, but Smith tells us she was an elderly woman who she's sad to lose.
Very sad, because now the house is going to be empty. It's not like I usually keep an eye on the place. I'll look out and see whether she's coming or going, and if I see something off, I'll call her up to make sure everything's okay, and I won't be able to do that anymore. It's going to be sad and nobody there.
Smith tells us the victim was a kind woman who loved dogs and loved to laugh. Fire officials urging the community to check and make sure your smoke alarms are working on a regular basis. Reporting in Taunton, Jake Holter, 12 News.